everyone, welcome back to the EcoTools channel. My name is Alex Garza. I'm the EcoTools brand ambassador. I've been working with them all year. I'm really excited to share with you guys some new brushes that are coming out this month. Thanks so much to EcoTools for sponsoring and collaborating with me on today's video. So today I'm going to share with you how I get a full coverage, flawless base that will last all day. I'm actually going to be focusing on the new 360 Ultimate Blend Kit. This set has 3 brushes, the Ultimate Buff, the Ultimate Pop, and the Ultimate Cover brush. It's now available in this month's Make Life Happen box and also on ecotools.com. I'll also be using a couple other EcoTools products that I've been loving lately, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start by priming my face. I always like to use a primer that's really hydrating and moisturizing so it keeps my skin looking fresh all day. I'm going to be using the flat foundation brush. This comes in the Custom Match Duo, which is another new launch from EcoTools. You can get it on their website. I'm just going to go ahead and apply this all over. This one has a little bit of shimmer in it too, so it gives you a nice glow. So next up, I like to choose the perfect foundation shade. Usually I'm spray tanning and all of that, so it's hard for me to find just like one foundation that perfectly matches my skin. So I like to mix and match. I use something with maybe a cool, a warm, a neutral undertone, mix them all together until I find the perfect shade for me. So what I like to do is take the Mix and Cleanse palette from the Custom Match Duo, apply a couple different pumps of my foundation, and then I can mix it around until I get that perfect shade. So I think I like this back one here. So I'm going to take my mixture with that flat foundation brush and just dot it everywhere that I need coverage. Then I'm going to blend that foundation in using the Ultimate Buff brush from the 360 Ultimate Blend Kit. I really love that kit because it comes with 3 different face brushes that are all great for creams and liquids. This one is really great for cream or liquid foundation. Of course, I also really love that it comes in that beautiful pink color. It looks really pretty sitting on your vanity. So I'm just buffing this in around my face. Next up, I'm just applying a little bit of concealer. I like to do it under my eyes and not anywhere where I have imperfections or where I want to bring lightness to my face. Blending everything in using the Ultimate Cover brush. This is really great for small detail work like concealer, highlighting, contouring, anything like that. Next, I want to add a little bit more color and dimension back into my skin after we've evened it all out. So I'm going to take the Ultimate Pop brush and some cream bronzer. This is like a matte cream bronzer. Apply that to my cheekbones, around my forehead, nose, and under my lip. The Ultimate Pop is great for any cream bronzer, blush, highlighter, any kind of a creamy face products. It works really well. Our face is completely even. We have that flawless canvas. Now you can go in and do any detail work that you want to. I always like to apply some setting powder just so the makeup lasts all day. It doesn't look too shiny or oily. I'm using the full powder brush to do that, and I just lightly tap a translucent powder all over my face. Okay guys, here's the final look. I went ahead and added some brow powder and some lipstick, but feel free to add whatever you want to this look. This is just to share with you how I get a flawless base. Definitely check out my channel. It's Alexandria Garza. Thanks again to EcoTools for sponsoring and collaborating with me on this video. All the links to the products will be down below and on ecotools.com. I'll see you guys later. Bye!